Hi kids, we are starting a new chapter, chapter number 14, Unit C, India and the World, Union Territories of India from the book GK 5. So we have the creative skill. Using the table, fill in the boxes with the union territories and capitals. So this is the box we have given. Okay, first we'll understand this box and then we'll fill these blanks. Okay, so we have different columns. First, we have union territory, then capital, then we have area, then there is date of formation, then we have principal languages. Okay, so the first one is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. This is the first union territory that we'll talk about. Then the capital of Andaman and Nicobar is Port Blair, and the area it occupies is 8,250 square kilometers, and it is formed as a union territory on 1st November 1956. Okay, the languages that are spoken in this place are Bengali, Hindi, Nicobaris, Tamil, Telugu, and Malayalam. Okay, then we have the second one, Chandigarh. The capital of Chandigarh is the same, Chandigarh. Then the area it occupies is 114 square kilometers. Then it is formed as Union Territory on 1st November 1966. Then the languages that are spoken in Chandigarh: Hindi, Punjabi, and English. Okay. Then we have the third one, Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Okay, the capital of this union territory is Daman, and the area it occupies is 603 square kilometers. Then it is formed as union territory on 26 January 2020, and the principal languages that are spoke there is Gujarati and Hindi. Okay. Then we have Jammu and Kashmir. The capital is Srinagar or Jammu. Okay. Then the area it occupies is 42,241 square kilometers, and it is formed as Union Territory on 31 October 2019. And the principal languages that are spoke there, speak there. Okay. So we have Kashmiri and Urdu. Okay. Then we have the Lakshadweep. The capital of Lakshadweep is Kawarati, and the area it occupies is 32.62 square kilometers, and it is formed as Union Territory on 1st November 1956, and the main languages that are spoken there is Malayalam. Okay. Then we have Puducherry. Puducherry's capital is the same, Puducherry. Then the area it occupies is 483 square kilometers, and the day it is formed is 1 November 1954, and the languages that are spoken there are Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam. Then next we have national capital, that is New Delhi, and the area it occupies is 1,484 square kilometers, and it is formed as a union territory on 1956, and the language that are spoke in the national capital is Hindi and English. Then we have Ladakh, and the capital of Ladakh is Leh, and the area it occupies is 59,146 kilometers, and it is formed as Union Territory on 31 October 2019, and the languages that are spoke there are Ladakhi, Tibetan, Urdu. Okay, in total we have 8 union territories. Now we'll just fill this. Okay, so in the first blank we have to write the name of the union territory. In the second one we have to write the capital name. Okay, so the first one, this is Jammu and Kashmir, and the capital is Srinagar and Jammu. Okay, Then in the second one, this is Chandigarh. The capital of Chandigarh is again the same Chandigarh. Okay. Then we have the third one. This is Dadar and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu. The capital of this union territory is Daman. Then we have the fourth one. This is Lakshadweep, and the capital of Lakshadweep is Kawarti. Then we have the fifth one. This is Puducherry, and the capital of Puducherry is itself Puducherry. Then we have sixth one, which is Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and the capital of this union territory is Port Blair. Then we have the seventh one. This is national capital, and the national capital is New Delhi. Okay. Then we have the eighth one. This one is Ladakh, and the capital of Ladakh is Leh. Now here we have the think and answer, which is the largest union territory of India. So the largest union territory of India is Ladakh. Okay. Then we have Infobit. Lakshadweep is the smallest union territory. जो लक्षद्वीप है वो सबसे smallest union territory है. Then we have teachers note. Discuss different territories and their regions in India. Explain Lakshadweep and Puducherry territory using Indian map. So I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye bye.